Hey guys, so in this video I am going to walk you through how to fix Instagram user not found. There could be two possible scenarios where this error messages show you temporarily disabled your account and then return to find it showing user not found. Or maybe you are just on Instagram and attempting to find someone and if it says user not found, so keep watching because I'll teach you how to solve these problems with this quick and easy tutorial. So without any further delay, let's get started. So if you have temporarily disabled your account and you want to log in back in and reactivate your account, but somehow it says user not found, instead of trying to log in with your username, try login with the help of your mobile phone or email address linked to your account. If it still says user not found whenever you are trying to log in and you try it with your email and phone number and other info and it just doesn't work, one of the most probable reason is that Instagram has terminated the username connected with your account, which is really disappointing, but there isn't much you can do anyway. Okay, so guys, that was the first scenario. The second scenario is that when you go into the search tab and after that you in the search bar you search for someone and it says sorry that user is not found, it means that the person either has disabled their account or has blocked you from accessing their profile. So when you are trying in his or her username, make absolutely sure you get everything correct because that will show their actual account. The next reason might be that you might have blocked their user, and if you want to unblock that, you have to go to your profile, then you have to click on the three lines. After that you have to go to settings, and in the settings you have to click on privacy. Then you have to scroll down and here you can see the option of blocked accounts. You have to click on this and here you can see all of the accounts that you have blocked. You simply have to click on unblock and after that and then the account will be unblocked. After that you can see their profile. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.